Hello, 6th grade math students. Welcome to Chapter 13, which is an introduction to statistics. Chapter 13.1 is all about collecting and tabulating data. Let's get started. This is Sean. Sean wants to find out how students in his class get to school. He needs to collect and tabulate some data. To collect this information, Sean can use 3 different methods. The first is to simply carry out observations. Sean could stand at the school door in the morning and observe how his classmates arrive at school. The second method would be to conduct a survey through an interview. Sean could interview his classmates to find out how they get to school. There's a third method, and that is to conduct a survey using a questionnaire. So Sean could make a questionnaire for his classmates to complete, and it could maybe look like this. Sean could give this survey to his classmates, have them fill it out, and then return it to him so that he could tally the results. Sean could then create a tally chart like this to record the results of his survey. Then he counts the tally marks to find how many students use each form of transportation. So looking at this tally chart, we can learn the frequency of each type of transportation. So frequency refers to how often a piece of data, such as an item or a number, occurs. In this case, the frequency of classmates who walk to school is 8. The most common form of transportation here would be bus at 13. The least common would be bicycle at 4. There's one more classmate who comes to school by car than by bike. And we can find out from this tally chart that Sean collected data from 30 classmates, not counting himself. We can learn quite a lot of information from this very simple survey and tally chart. And that is it. That's our one idea for this section. Here's a series of guided practice problems to let you try this on your own. The first starts with this chart. Emma used a questionnaire to find out the number of brothers and sisters that her classmates have in their families. She then used this tally chart to record what she found. So your first task is to copy and complete this table by counting the tally marks. Press pause. Once you finish that task, please go on to the remaining 5 questions about Emma's data. Now that you've completed the tally chart, here are the 5 analysis questions to help you learn more about Emma's data. I'll see you tomorrow when we'll do some more practice on using tally charts to collect and analyze data. See you then.